Hey guys, we are on day 2 of rounding. If you do not already have your materials, you need to pause this video and go grab your board marker eraser or paper and a pencil. All right, for today we are going to do 2 examples where you will be practicing it with me. And the first example, we have 368,910. I want for you to simply follow along with your eyes, making sure that you are ready and that you remember our rounding wrap. For this problem, we are going to be rounding to the nearest hundred thousands place. The nearest hundred thousands place. All right, so this is what we should do if we are rounding this number to the nearest hundred thousands place. Mark the place, look to the right. 4 or less are out of sight. All right, is a 6 4 or less? Nope. 5 and up will buy one more, so I'm buying one more. I'm putting a +1 above the place value that I marked. Before they too, and everything behind it is out the door. In those empty right-hand spaces, zeros take their proper spaces. These are really ugly zeros, but you get the gist. So we're going to rewrite our number, carrying everything down directly underneath it. So we got a 3 plus a 1. Our new number is a 4. That 6 turned into a 0. The 8 turned into a 0. Got to have our comma. Comma never moves. 9 turns into a 0, 1 turns into a 0, and guess what? The 0, it's still a 0. So our new number, 368,910 rounded to the nearest hundred thousands place, is what? 400,000. So this next one, you are going to be doing it yourself. So what I would like for you to do right now is write the number 291,936 on your board or your paper. So pause this video and go ahead and do that real quick. Now we are going to be rounding this number to the nearest 10 thousandths place. So decide which of these digits is in the 10 thousandths place. Pause this video, go ahead and solve to the nearest 10 thousandths place. All right, now that we are back and you have your solved answer, our number 291,936 is going to be rounded to the nearest 10 thousandths place. So follow along with me, look at what you have done and make sure that it is correct. If it is not, you need to correct it as we go. Mark the place, look to the right. 4 or less are out of sight. Is a 1 4 or less? Yep. So if it's 4 or less, we're going to keep this as it is. 5 and up will buy one more. We can kind of just ignore that. Before they too, everything to the right of the place value is out the door. In those empty right-hand spaces, zeros take their proper spaces. So we're just going to copy everything directly underneath. That 2 stays a 2. That 9 is going to stay a 9. That 1 turned into a 0. Write that comma. That 9 turned into a 0. 3 turned into a 0. The 6 turns into a 0. So 291,936 has turned into, rounded to the nearest 10 thousandths place, 290,000. Okay, our next problem, our last one for our video. Oh, don't be alarmed. It's not that scary. We have the number 1,038,932. We are going to round this number to the nearest 10 thousandths place. So you need to write this number down and decide which of these digits is in the 10 thousandths place and round it to the nearest 10 thousandths place. Pause this video and go ahead and solve. Okay, now that you have your solved answer, you should have your number 1,038,932 rounded to the nearest 10 thousandths place. So follow along with me, make sure that you have the correct answer, and if you don't, I want for you to make the corrections as we go. Mark the place, look to the right. 4 or less are out of sight. Is our 8 4 or less? Nope. 5 and up will buy one more. So we're buying one more, putting a +1 above our 3. Before they too are out the door. In those empty right-hand spaces, zeros take their proper spaces. So we're just going to directly underneath each thing replace the digits with what it needs to be replaced with. Anything to the left of where we've marked stays the same. 1 comma, 0 stays the same. 3 plus 1, even though it looks kind of like an H, plus 1 equals 4. 8 turned into a 0, carry that comma down, 9 is a 0, 3 is a 0, and our 2 is a 0. So 1,038,932 rounded to the nearest 10,000ths place is 1,040,000. So if you have made any errors while you have done this video with me, I want for you to rewind your video, and I would like for you to practice again so that you are prepared for your exit ticket. Great job today, guys. I feel like we're doing really well. Keep it up.